You have to take it easy more time. Take it easy, man. You can't run up and down like that. Some women just want too much, man. And problem is wanting too much, man. Wanting too much things from man. And some of them, man, they have some big old cocky. Ready for tear out your womb. You're ready for tear out your womb with it. And that's why enough women end up with fiber. They end up with cancer. All kind of problem happen to them. Someone have to take out them womb. It's a serious situation. When you're trying to get a man with such a big penis, what you do with a man with such big, large penis? Where you going to put it? You notice how God made the hole between your legs small? He never make it for a big piece of plank. And some of these men are born handicapped. And everybody have handicap on them face. Some people born handicapped. Them have big body part are hanging on 16, 17 inches long. Like a horse or a donkey. Yes. And some of them bragging with it. But it's a problem. And it's a big one. It's a big one. Because not many women can put up with that. When that get in your belly bottom and start to rock up your bone them and mash up your pelvis. By the time you turn whole, you're not used to yourself. A lot of young women out there, them young, you know, they're not old. But them looking old. Because they have this man with this big old cock. And he just ride every chance he get. And mash up them body. Some of them cock big and them strong. They want to be stronger. So they take Viagra or all kind of sex drug. So when they get to the woman, them bust them up. They want to say them powerful. They might give a little money or I help you one little bill. When he come by you, he make sure him take him drugs. He come to skin you. Like when they skin goat. Some of these men are very wicked. And some women enough to know on a place. Know on a place. Some man come from mash on up. Someone who walk funny when not done. Sex is not a war. It's not World War II. It's not war you and when you're having sex in bed. You make the woman happy, she make you happy. You don't have to jump up and reel up and mash up and break down nothing. It's not a war. You and nobody in a fight. When you're making love is when you're making love. And a fight, you fight. And a war, you there. And a battle, you go. So, when a man pick up a woman and have a woman, you don't have to know what to do with the woman. You can't ride a woman morning, noon and night with this big old piece of thing. This big old pipe iron. Because he hard like a pipe iron and he long like a pipe iron. Like you got to pipe in like you're a plumber. Hoping at the woman, hoping at the woman. And when she done, she hardly can walk. She still can't get by, nothing get done. She walking around with this big old hole that stretch out between her legs for taking air in the woman belly and gas. You see what I mean? So, someone have to know yourself, you can't be a fool. You can't wait till you turn tank. You can't tell no turn tank. Or turn gully hole. You can't wait till it turn a big gully hole. Wake up and smell the big cocky a come and dress back. You can't have your body and mash it up. Cancer, fiber, and dig out your inside like you must some kind of cannibal eating meat. No. If you have a big one and you're doing it, you go halfway, baby. Or like a quarter. You can't go all the way, shove all the way into the bottom, buck to the balls. You cannot buck to the balls. It's a sin if you buck to the balls. And someone want buck to the balls. When I say buck to the balls, you want to shove it all the way in. And the two balls, them left out squeezing tight because I can't go anymore. Buck to the balls. Someone like the buck to the balls. Buck to the calls a kill man. Buck to the balls make woman a walk a piece up themselves. Buck to the balls no good, it stretch you out. Buck to the balls no good. So when I have this big old cocky in on the pants, I don't know come and some of these women so fool. And some of the young girls they love it. Because them bad, you know, and them freaky. And them say, ooh, that's just a nice one. And I'm ready for it. I say, that's a nice one. It's a nice one. But that's not the problem about nice one. When you get on them belly and start rock up them bone, them ball like a rat baby. And a good same thing, me afraid of it. Me not go sit down here and lie, me afraid of it. That is something me no want come across me. Me don't like no big old piece of flesh like that. If you go sit down in your body, it's like another old person them are shoving in your body and you're pushing like a baby back in your body like you're ready to give birth again. You're moan and groan under agony and the pain only getting worse. Who want to feel so? Like nobody a murder you. I like you give birth and I love you make. That the love there figure stay. Especially when they take the Viagra and then take the holy power then call it black hands. They want same thing then call black hands. Where them I use. Back home they suffer sit in Jamaica then call Chinese brush. So when them call it ass tonic. Then drop sit on the woman for drink in Spanish fly. And then drink it and then they get honey. Some of them go drink the ass tonic. One boy they go drink the ass tonic one time. And say him plan for go see the girl, you know. And him a go the girl and he have big good. And he go drink it, he never need it because a young man. And he go and drink the ass tonic for go meet the girl, you see. And when he go meet the girl never bother, she postpone upon him and left. And he never get to see the girl. Him body turn up on him and start to ride him. Him body start to ride him unbearable. His heart start to race. Him head start to feel like it has swell big. He start to sweat. He feel like he want to come and he can't come. He go for one knife and cut off his wood. And at this so he end up dead. So, me I tell you, should be tell the balls buck. No bother with it. I know war no day. Woman need tender love and care. They don't want nobody jump on them and ride for hours. 1 hour gone, 2 hour hand. Because you're there on ass tonic. The whole of the woman body a blister and a bust up. And you enjoy yourself like a ride like a train in the pan. And you're there on ass tonic. And the Viagra, then your kin a while up. And somehow when you take the sex drug and start ride good after a little while, the body shut down and fall asleep. And you get mad, no wonder why the body shut down. The body shut down because God is watching and God know the truth. You see what I mean? And God don't like ugly. So when someone take the drugs and they work halfway, and when no start to do it, the body fall down halfway. And then no make up nice and no couldn't get to come, body fall down halfway. Body just reject it. And I just so we go with that. So when I take on the Viagra and the big drugs and I got people man yard to go bust up them tribe and they go the inside for send go hospital, it is wrong. Because medical bill is a lot of money now. And when you walk around as a woman with this big old well between your leg and drain water, it's not a nice thing. So if you're taking them long old thing up in your body, it don't make no sense. May I tell you, it don't make none.